Okay, I show you on how to create a slideshow using ProShow Producer 4. Okay, we choose our picture to our browser. Okay, and we click this one. Then it shows all the pictures in our slides. And we pick our picture and drag it to our slide list. Then continuously doing these steps. After you put all the pictures in the slide list, if you going to put an effect, just click this box and it shows all the list of effects, and we choose this one. Then continuously do these steps. Okay, after we put an effects to our slides, when you choose to put also a music to our slideshow, we choose our music to our browser and we drag a one music to the bottom part of our list of slides. And after that, it shows the stereo of the music that we are going to play. Then, I show you our presentation that we create a minute ago.